Welcome to this guided visualization designed to help you clear your mind and find peace when intrusive or negative thoughts won't let go. Our minds can sometimes get caught in loops of worry or negativity, but today we'll explore several techniques that can help you gently release those thoughts and replace them with calm and empowering ones. This session is meant to be simple and accessible, so you can find peace whenever you need it. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and let's start with a deep breath. Hold it for just a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. Repeat this breathing pattern for a few more times, each time imagining that with every exhale, you're letting go of stress or negativity. Feel your muscles relax, your heart rate slow, and your mind begin to quiet. Now, imagine you're standing at the entrance of a beautiful garden, a sanctuary just for you. The air is fresh and the sun warms your skin. This is a place where you feel completely safe and at peace. As you step into the garden, notice how everything around you is thriving. The flowers are in bloom, the birds are singing, and there's a gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. As you walk deeper into the garden, you come upon a small, clear fountain at its center. The water sparkles in the sunlight and flows with a soft, soothing sound. You sit down beside it, feeling the coolness of the stone. Now let's address these intrusive or negative thoughts. Imagine that each negative or unwanted thought is like a dark cloud above your head. Acknowledge each cloud without judgment. These are just thoughts. They are not truths. One by one, take each cloud and gently place it into the fountain. Watch as the water carries it away, dissolving it into nothingness. As each cloud dissolves, replace it with a positive or an empowering thought. For example, if the thought was, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable and worthy." If the thought was, "Something bad is going to happen," replace it with, "I am strong and can handle whatever comes my way." If another intrusive thought tries to come back, firmly say stop, either out loud or in your mind. Then immediately focus on the sound of the water, the warmth of the sun, or the feeling of peace within this garden. Now, let's imagine a soft golden light filling the space where each cloud once was. This light is warm and calming, filling your mind with peace. Each time a negative thought tries to return, visualize placing it in the fountain, watching it dissolve, and then filling its place with this golden light. If any tension remains in your body, practice progressive muscle relaxation. Starting with your toes, tense the muscles for a few seconds, then release, feeling the relaxation spread. Move up through your body, your legs, abdomen, chest, arms, and face, tensing and then releasing, allowing your relaxation to continue to deepen. Now, as you continue to sit by this fountain, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose peace. My mind is a sanctuary, free from negativity. I release what no longer serves me and welcome in calmness and clarity. My thoughts are not facts. I can choose to focus on the positive. Remember, your thoughts are like clouds. They come and go. You have the power to decide which thoughts to hold on to and which to let pass by. Just like in this garden, you can always return to a place of peace within your mind. When intrusive thoughts arise, acknowledge them, let them go, and replace them with something more empowering. So now, take a final deep breath, feeling the peace and the calm that you've created within yourself. And slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes and bring this sense of peace and serenity back with you. As you reflect on this experience, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What peaceful image or positive thought did you use to replace a negative one during this visualization? Share your experience in the comments below. I read and appreciate every one of them. If you found this guided visualization helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps more people discover these calming practices. Thank you for being here and for taking a moment to care for your mind and your well-being.